To fix the session expired error on Facebook for Android, several steps can be taken. The issue often arises due to internet connectivity problems, technical glitches, or corrupt caches within the Facebook app. Checking the internet connection is the first step, which can be done by opening the device's Settings app, selecting SIM cards and mobile networks, and ensuring that mobile data is enabled. If using the device abroad, activating international roaming may also be necessary. Restarting the device can also resolve the issue, which involves long pressing the power button and selecting Restart, then waiting for the device to power back on before checking if the error persists. If the problem continues, clearing the Facebook app's cache is the next step. This can be achieved by opening the Settings app, selecting Apps, and then Manage Apps, finding and selecting the Facebook app, clicking on Storage, and then selecting Clear Cache. Additionally, selecting Clear Data will remove all of Facebook's data. By following these steps, the session expired error on Facebook for Android should be resolved.